Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have just got done processing my entire candy pallet. I know it looks like it's still a work in progress, but I have some great numbers to share with you on how much I actually am going to make on this huge 2,000 piece candy pallet. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so let me remind you exactly what this pallet cost me. So this was a direct liquidation clearance pallet of candy. It had 2,117 pieces, roughly, I'm sure. I paid $330 for it. Shipping was $237.08, and it came to a total of $567.08, which roughly made it about a quarter per item. And so I wanted to give you an idea of exactly where everything is. Let me grab my piece of paper here. So you know me, if I can send it to Amazon, I'm going to send it to Amazon. So behind me on this table is everything that I'm going to send into the Amazon Fulfillment Center. Now, one thing you have to remember about Amazon Fulfillment Centers is in the summertime, you cannot send any chocolate in because none of the fulfillment centers are climate controlled. So basically from May to about September, you can't send this stuff in. It's currently October. I can send some chocolates in, and that'll keep me in that window of cooler weather. So what I ended up sending in are all of the items you see. So it came out to 240 separate items, but it's kind of a little bit of a misnomer because like this is a pack of 2, so obviously that's 2 and not 1, but 240 is listed as 1. And then I've got some 4-packs here and things like that. All of these items were worth it to send in based on their fee structure and everything, and it had great sales rank. And so all of this is going in for a total of $974.08 of profit on that. So after that, then I realized that there are some things, none of this is expired, but there are some things on Amazon that you have to actually send in 4 months from the expiration date. So I've got some things that are like 2 months from expiring, and I know they're going to sell really fast because I sell my stuff really quickly. So I decided, since I can't send it to the fulfillment centers, let's merchant fulfill it. So come this way. This is where I have all of my merchant fulfill and all of my eBay items stored. So I clearly am climate controlled, and so I have got mountains of candy in here. So this is all on my merchant fulfill where I'm going to ship each and every item individually. Some of these are bagged because they're being sold in 4-packs or 2-packs. So I've got all of that, and like I said, none of this is expired, and I've got all of that. And then I've even got a drawer way down the way. But for merchant fulfill on Amazon, I ended up with 165 listings for a total of $1,209.34 if everything sells at the price I have it at, which there's not a lot of competition on that, so I'm excited about it. So don't discount merchant fulfilling because that's $1,200 that I'm potentially going to make because I'm in a merchant fulfill. Then I've got eBay, and a lot of you have been talking about the eBay, the change in some of the listing and stuff like that. Simply all they're asking for is a few more details. So I had to put on my candy listings things that were like serving sizes, how many calories per serving, things like that. Once I did that, then it was basically available for more people. And so on eBay, I ended up with 88 separate items listed on eBay. Not that many listings. I think I only have 4 or 5 for a total of $569. Okay, so total, everything that I have listed online so far comes out to 493 separate items for a grand total of $2,752.42. I'm going to take away my $567.08 that I paid for it, which makes me have a profit margin of $2,185.34. And yes, I took off all of my fees for eBay, all of my fees for Amazon, and took all of those off with these numbers. So $2,185.34. So that is going to be roughly about 8 hours worth of work that I invested with unpacking, sorting, listing, shipping out. So that basically is $273 per hour. I'm good with that, aren't you? Now you may be questioning, you see a lot of this candy behind me that is not listed. So I wanted to kind of share with you, this stuff is not expired, okay? So one of the reasons why it's not listed is a Starburst jelly bean bag is relatively heavy. So the fees are much higher at the Amazon FBA warehouse. And so it may be selling for $5 or $6 online, but my fees are around $4. So therefore, it's not even worth it to send in because I'm going to make what, like 12 or $1 or something. I have to make a specific amount of money in order to do this. So all of this stuff is still in good condition. It's unopened. It's still within under the expiration date, but it may not be in that 4-month window. But I want to sell it right now really quickly. And so I'm actually offering you guys a really, wait for it. A really sweet deal. Oh, my son, who's a pun master, would be so proud. So what I decided was I'm going to do a medium flat rate box because a lot of this candy is super heavy. And so basically with a flat rate box, if it fits, it ships. So I've got one totally full. This is a medium flat rate box. I'm going to offer it to you for $25, free shipping. Now, it's going to cost me about $15 to ship this one, but I wanted to kind of offer my viewers kind of a really fun deal since I had all this available. And I don't want to just throw it all away because it's perfectly good candy. I've been eating entirely too many Cadbury cream eggs, so I'm putting some of the Cadbury cream eggs in the boxes so I will stop eating them because I've eaten way too many. It's not good for my health. All right. Good for my taste buds, but not for my health. So this will give you an example of what's in one of these boxes. So we're just going to unload it right here on camera and kind of show you. So we've got some Cadbury cream eggs. We've got some Hershey's, look like M&Ms, but they're Hershey ones. Here's Reese's Pieces. We've got some jelly beans. We've got some Skittles, some ice cream flavored M&Ms. We got some Hershey's milk chocolate. We've got, these are my all-time favorite. They're Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups. Peanut butter cups with Reese's Pieces in them. Then we've got some Snickers, some Twix, some mini eggs, some Crunch, some more Hershey's eggs. These ones are extra creamy milk chocolate. Those are regular milk chocolate. These are candy-coated milk chocolate. We're not even halfway into the box. We've got some Cadbury mini eggs. We've got some Starburst jumbo jelly beans. We've got some Starburst minis and jelly beans. We've got some milk chocolate Cadbury shimmer eggs. We've got some Swedish fish. We've got Jolly Rancher jelly beans. We've got some more Jolly Rancher jelly beans. We've got some, Reese's peanut butter cream eggs. We've got some more Reese's peanut butter eggs. We've got some Star Wars jelly beans, some Kids Mix Jelly Belly jelly beans, and another Spring Mix Jelly Belly jelly beans. So that is a lot of candy for $25, because if you think about it at the store, these are going to be $4 or $5 a piece for any of these large bags. So basically, if you bought 5 of these, that's it. That's all you get. So you're going to get all of this candy for $25 free shipping. It will be available on my hookedonpickin.com store. And so you can find it there, hookedonpickin.com, and then also on eBay. So right now I'm just going to build about 20 boxes, and so it's kind of first come, first serve. So I will have the links down in the description below of the eBay. So if you're more comfortable buying on eBay, if not, you can buy on hookedonpickin.com. I do take PayPal on hookedonpickin.com, or you can just directly use, your online purchasing credit card or something like that. So $25 free shipping for an assortment of candies. If you do buy a candy box, if you want special things in it, that's a little bit harder for me to do because I don't know how quickly all the candy is going to run out. But it will be chocked full. And I tell you what, when I picked this box up earlier, it was so heavy. So $25 worth of candy. It's a sweet deal. I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. I had to do it one more time. But It's really awesome. This candy palette was amazing. Like I said, I made $2,185.34 on this direct liquidation clearance palette. Yes, it was a lot of work, but it averaged out to be $273 an hour's worth of work. If everything sells at what I priced it at, which even if I price adjust, I'm still probably making about $250 an hour. So it was definitely a good buy for me, and hopefully this box is a sweet deal for you. Great thing to buy around the Halloween time or holiday time when you're going to have a bunch of people at your house and you can share all your fun, really inexpensive candy with them, but really yummy candy because, like I said, I've been eating way too much of it. So that's why I got to ship it out of here so I don't get ginormous eating so much candy. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I earned on this candy palette. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.